Hi guys! So for today's video, as promised, I'm going to share with you my favorite glosses, like the brand, the line, and the specific shade. These glosses are my current favorite. I'm not saying they're like my all-time favorite. It changes, it varies, but still, I hope you enjoyed this video. By the way, sorry kung medyo maingay ng very slight because my construction sa labas, like right outside my window. First product that we have is from Vice Cosmetics. This is the Vice X and CLUTZ Lip Gloss. So what I love about the Vice Cosmetics X and CLUTZ Lip Gloss is it's clear, pero nabubura niya kahit paano yung lines ng lips ko. It will really make your lips look plumpier and juicier. Plus, I love the flavor. Meron siyang minty flavor and minty feel. It's not drying at all. You can wear it on its own or pwede siya on top of a lipstick or liquid lipstick. Basta, I love it. Highly recommended. Super affordable pa. Next one is another clear gloss. This time it's from Detail Cosmetics. Ito yung kanilang Jelly Lips. It's a lip plumper with a little bit of hydration. And I do agree, you guys. It has a tingling sensation, a little bit of minty flavor to it. Pero hindi naman siya yung OA sa sakit na lip plumper. It will give you the illusion of a plumper lips. Pero in my experience, it's not gonna necessarily really make your lips like super plump, like Kim Kardashian plump and everything. Pero may something. And I love using this on its own or bilang lip primer. Kasi gusto ko nga yung very slight maga feel. But yeah, I super recommend itong Jelly Lips ng Detail Cosmetics. Okay, so gara na tayo dun sa mga colored glosses. Umpisahan natin sa Maybelline Lifter Gloss, specifically in the shade Amber. Honestly, it's not just the shade Amber, pero yung entire line ng Lifter Gloss, I really love them. I love the subtle pigment. I love a little bit of plumpier look. It's also so easy to overline para alam mo yun, mas lalong mukhang mala Angelina Jolie. Also love the vanilla-ish flavor you can taste. And ang gaganda ng shade range. Talagang bagay sa lahat ng skin tones. So yeah, I do recommend yung Lifter Gloss ng Maybelline. By the way, I have lip swatch ng Lifter Gloss linked down below. Next one is, dati super sikat to over YouTube pero nowadays hindi na masyado. This is the Essence Cosmetics Plumping Nudes in the shade She's So Extra. Isa to sa mga glosses na talaga magpapaplump ng lips mo. Well, plump looking but not like physically plump your lips. Pero I really love the effect. I really love the pigment. Yung regular price nito is medyo mahal, nasa 300 something. Pero kapag ka may sale, yung Lazada or Shopee, nagmumura to like up to 150 pesos or mga 200 something. You better get it, you guys, because this is really one of my favorite, kung hindi current, like all-time favorite lip gloss. Love it! Next one is from Colorette Cosmetics Lip Glaze in the shade Blanket. Medyo nagdalawang isip akong isama to because this is super pigmented. It feels like a liquid lipstick na glossy more than just, you know, a lip gloss. Pero sinama ko na rin. Like I said, para siyang liquid lipstick, so it's very easy to overline, to make your lips look bigger. Very pigmented. And lalo na tong Blanket, super bagay sa lahat ng skin tones. So if you're looking for a brownie, nudie-ish type of liquid lipstick, glossy liquid lipstick, I do recommend itong lip glaze by Colorette in Blanket. Next one is from Vaseline Prime and Shine in the shade Rosy Petal, if I'm not mistaken. Napanood nyo yung red lipstick recommendations ko for Valentine's. Nakita nyo yung sister nito. I really love the entire line of Prime and Shine, lahat ng shades. Kasi this is not just a gloss, but also a lip care. So, nakaka-moisturize siya. At the same time, ang ganda ng pigment. Super worth it i-try. Tapos, meron pa siyang clear lip balm. If gusto mo lang ng lip balm, really worth it for the price. So, isa rin to sa marirecommend ko, yung Vaseline Prime and Shine. Next one is from an independent local brand. This is from Better Cosmetics. Tinted Lip Care Treatment Oil in the shade Kindness. So what I love about this one, you guys, is it's very pigmented, really moisturizing. Medyo liquid lipstick-y siya, pero it has the gloss. So pag may naririnig kayong boses ng bata, my daughter and my husband, they're here. I also love the price point. Very affordable for the quality, you guys. Highly, highly recommended. Itong Better Cosmetics. Hindi lang itong shade na Kindness. This is just my favorite dun sa line. Pero lahat ng shades nila is super panalo and bagay sa lahat ng skin tone. And I do have a lip swatch of the entire line linked down below. By the way guys, medyo nag-iwan ng tint yung Better Cosmetics. Very slight lang naman pero diba? Bongga. Next one is from FS Cosmetics Filipiniana Liquid Lipstick in the shade Kabigha-Bighani. So this is another lip product na parang medyo liquid lipstick pero dahil glossy naman siya, kinonsider ko na. I love this one kasi super duper pigmented and alam mo yun, ang ganda niya talaga. So kahit medyo liquid... Yes, love. Ibisika? Okay. So kahit medyo liquid lipsticky yung dating niya, kinonsider ko na rin. Really, really promising. Lalo na itong shade na Kabigha-Bighani if you're looking for a red. If you're looking for a red but you know, glossy, I have a lip swatch, complete lip swatch linked down below. And last but definitely not the least, yung MERZY Aurora Dewy Tint in the shade Mystic Mauve. So I saved this one for last because I think this is the most expensive. Depende ko saan ka bibili, depende ko naka-sale siya. Pero nasa range siya ng 400 to 500. It has the most subtle gloss, pero nag-iiwan kasi siya ng like tint. So, yun yung parang favorite ko sa kanya. Pero okay din naman kasi yung glossy effect niya. It's like watery, not overly plump, but just really fresh. By the way, meron akong lip swatch nito linked down below as well. So yeah, yun na lahat ang aking current favorite lip glosses. Again, current. Depende kung may darating na bago or kung may love ako ulit sa mga past lip glosses na nagamit ko na. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video guys and I hope I was able to give you an idea of new products kung hindi nyo pa na-try. Next video natin, let me think about it kasi may mga bagong papasok. Yeah, thank you so much guys for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye-bye!